Banking in Dubai is about to get a lot different. And by different, I mean better. Dubai residents will soon have another international banking option. The UK-based fintech company Revolut has submitted applications to become a bank in the UAE, and is looking to expand its footprint both to Dubai and Saudi Arabia. Another digital banking option is never a bad thing, and this one has the potential to change the way how you bank today in Dubai. Hi, I'm Zach from Emifast. We're a Dubai-based leader in global tax reduction and reincorporation strategies. We help people like you to keep more of their money. And if you want to find out more, please visit our website. We have talked about this before, but it's worth repeating. Dubai is a city of expats. Fully 90% of Dubai's residents come from outside of the UAE, so providing them with international banking option is a big deal. And this is where companies like Revolut excel. Revolut is a kind of fintech company that can literally change the rules of how companies are banking today in the UAE and even in Dubai. Previously, opening a corporate bank account here was really a pain in the ass. The process could take months and the paperwork and documentation needed was overwhelming. And customers go through it because the local bank allows for peer-to-peer transaction in the local currency and because UAE banks are insured for the full amount of money that you have deposited with them. European banks are generally insured up to 100,000 euros. While Revolut deposits will follow the European model of insurance protection, the fintech bank will make it far easier for companies to open a local bank in the UAE without the red tape involved with most UAE banks. Because Revolut is a fintech and because much of what it offers is online and streamlined, my guess is that banks like MBD and FAB are going to find themselves scrabbling quickly to match Revolut's offerings, or they will really lose clients. And just how does Revolut operate? Now, the main benefit of using Revolut are the fee-free card spendings and the ease and low cost of overseas bank transfers. Dubai residents regularly deal in everything to dollars, to euros, to dinars and rubles. So having an institution that makes these currencies work together and easier to convert and transfer is key to the residents being able to conduct business. With Revolut, transfers up to £1,000 per month are free if you exchange the money between Monday and Friday, and transfers between Revolut customers are always free. And really, having online banking option is key for anyone that travels between countries. Revolut is not a traditional bank that it doesn't offer checks or overdraft protections or credit line, but it does offer something else, and that is freedom. Just ask anyone who has ever had a foreign transaction declined because they're using a bank card from their home country. Now, they can explain you how important that freedom is. Or try telling the Dutch guy, the American and the Russian, who are all splitting a bill at dinner, that being able to easily transfer currency back and forth isn't important. It all feeds into the bigger point, which that's always valuable to have options. Dubai is in many ways a new city. Until the 90s, Dubai was essentially non-developed, with an airline Emirates that was only 5 years old, and downtown that wouldn't really take shape until 2000s. Because it's so new, it has been able to easily adopt new technologies and infrastructure that would take older European and Asian cities years to develop. Dubai has a backbone of technology that facilitates everything from data transfer to food deliveries. It is exactly the type of place for a fintech company like Revolut to thrive. Our guess is that we'll see both Revolut and Revolut competitors coming into both Dubai and Riyadh markets sooner or later. The population and the infrastructure just makes these markets perfectly suited for these types of services. Dubai will always have the traditional banking option available, but for expats who need an easily adaptable way to transfer currencies and complete foreign transactions, companies like Revolut are rewriting the rules on money. And if you agree with what I'm saying or you would like to add to this conversation, leave me a comment below. And as always, remember to like and follow.